Today we are making chicken teriyaki. Let's start off with getting a mixing bowl and getting your microplane grater. So I have here about six cloves of garlic and a big piece of ginger. So we'll grate all of that. Next step is let's get our chicken. So this is chicken thigh fillet. This is about 850 grams. What you do is to slice them into bite-sized portions, about this big. Okay, that's done. Next step, dump all of that chicken inside the mixing bowl. And let's add in our other ingredients. Let's put in white sugar. About that much. Soy sauce. Pepper. Mirin. And last, sesame oil. Then mix everything together. Okay, let this marinate overnight. Okay, this is the chicken that we left to marinate overnight. Now I'm heating a pan, and the first step is get some sesame seeds and toast these. About that much. So toasting actually brings out more flavor. So you can see that the seeds have turned from a light color to a golden color. So that's what you want. Then set those aside. Next step, using the same pan, let's add in some canola oil and some butter. Okay, then let's add in our chicken. Okay, so this is the color that you want. And the chicken is cooked all the way through. At this point, you can switch off the heat. Okay. And you can add back the sesame seeds that you toasted early on. I also chopped some spring onion, and you can use it as a garnish to add color and some flavor as well. So mix everything in. Okay. Last step is let's taste. So let's slice through one of these pieces of chicken. So as you can see that it's cooked all the way through. And it's best paired with rice. So get some sauce, put it on top of the rice, like that. That's really good.